Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will paint a sunset winter landscape in the village. And we'll start with a sketch. The most important thing here is the horizontal line, the roof of the house, the fence line, the river bank and the tree trunk. Next we mix opera rose with orange paint for our sunset clouds. But before applying, moisten the sky with a flat brush. Now we add lavender to our mixture, some lamp black, and cover the rest of the sky. We darken our mixture by adding lavender and lamp black and make our sky darker. Soften the hard edge with a dry, fluffy gold brush. We make a mixture of lavender, orange and lamp black, and as if imprinting to show the houses in the background, leaving wide gaps for the snowy roofs. Spray with water and soften the lower edge with a flat, wet brush. Moisten the surface of the river and apply a mixture of pink, orange and add a little bit of lamp black so that the water is darker than the sky, and immediately make dark reflections in the river while the paper is wet. Soften the lower edge of our river with a flat, hard brush, and also wipe the horizontal stripes with a damp brush, taking a pigment to show the surface of the water. Making more of our mixture of lamp black, lavender and orange for the foliage of the tree. We apply a few spots of foliage and spray with water, and so alternate. This is necessary to make the foliage more tender. The trunk of our tree. We darken more on the left side, since it's shadowy. We make branches with a thin Chinese calligraphic brush. Now we take our flat hard brush and proceed to the smoke from the chimney. We wet the brush with water and wipe the pigment, and then blot it with a paper towel, and so on several times. Darkening the houses in the background a bit. Refreshing our mixture of lavender, orange and lamp black again, and draw a fence on the right, as if making brush prints. Do not draw too carefully. Some water spray. We add more lavender to the fence, then more orange, so that it is more interesting, not so monotonous and boring. Now we add some orange to our mixture and make a fence on the left with horizontal lines. Add orange to the mixture and make autumn dry grass. We use a thin liner. This will give naturalness to the grass. It turns out a thin tip. Now we add to our mixture some pink, lavender and lamb black, and we paint the walls of our house. We also darken the fence on the left and draw spruces with this mixture. We also paint another tree to the left of the spruce with the same mixture. While it's wet, we draw smoke from the chimney, blotting the pigment on the trees with a paper towel. Chimney on the roof and our beautiful smoke from it. We add orange to our mixture and draw a tree behind the house. Add some water to make it fuzzy. A little lavender in our mixture and draw a tree on the right. We also spray and draw a tree trunk. There is a lot of pigment and a little water, so that the branches are thin and clear. We darken the fence on the left, sprayed. Make a mixture of lavender with lamb black, lots of water and little pigment. We make shadows in the snow with this color. Make a dark mixture of lamb black, lavender and a little orange. The mixture is thick. Branches of the large tree need to be repeated, as they are lost. I sign. Remove the tape. This is what we got. Try drawing with me. I think you will enjoy and have some fun. You can see it closer. You can also arrange the artwork in passepartout, as I did. Try on any color from colored thick cardboard. I really like this moment. Thanks for being with me. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye!